Naked Weekly 983, the only single thing that may be wrong with you is to believe that there may be something wrong with you. Our coaches open every event, workshop and session with our fundamental belief. There is nothing wrong with you. We are only born with two fears, falling and loud noises, although some psychologists now believe we may be born with no such natural fears at all. We have shared this message with people who can't see, who can't hear, and with wheelchair users. Over the years, numbering hundreds if not thousands, not one of them has ever disagreed with this inspiring message, even though society has labelled them as disabled. So, the only people who have something wrong with them are those that believe it. If this is you and that thought helps you, then keep on thinking it. If it doesn't help you, then stop. Your choice. With my love and best wishes to you all, David.